controversy. President Trump tonight pushing back against an explosive report.
That bombshell report alleging that he made offensive comments about the military. Bombshell report about the president's taxes.
Part of his brand is I'm unscrupulous, I'm dishonest.
What's going on?
I'm a bit of a jerk, but I'm your
That's like an allergy, Michael, I think. I don't know. I can't stop.
Amy Coney Barrett.
I'm truly humbled.
Republicans rushed through the president's pick to fill Ruth Bader Ginsburg's seat. They will set policy for 50 years.
To have a president appoint 3 justices to the United States Supreme Court in their first term is unprecedented.
Trump's leadership continually questioned in times of crisis. You have to dominate the streets. Confronted by a nation pulsing with anger, calling for equality, crying out for justice.
Oh, your mother the fuck.
Stunning ultimatum.
If a city or state refuses to take the actions that are necessary to defend the life and property of their
Going on
residents,
15 minutes now.
deploy the United States military and quickly solve the problem for them.
Delivering that divisive speech minutes before one of the year's most shocking moments, now seared into the national memory. Under orders from the Attorney General, U.S. Park and other law enforcement forcibly removed peaceful protesters exercising their First Amendment right, steps from the White House, so the president could have a photo op in front of historic St. John's Episcopal Church, brandishing a Bible.
Is that your Bible?
The image of Donald Trump holding it, but never opening it, never reading from it, is a defining image of the Trump presidency.
But the crisis that would consume the Trump presidency was share so many of our minds coronavirus.
It is not a question of
It's not just
No, because we're ready for it. We have many falsehoods to come from the White House.